today we are going to be looking at this craft called Decorate Your Bag. Of course, we are using a bag, but you can use a t-shirt or another bag you have, or even a pair of sneakers if you're allowed by your parents to decorate. This is our DIY place bag, and we're going to be using that. We're going to be using a blank bag. We need a piece of cardboard and a blank piece of paper to practice our decorating. We're going to start by practicing our decorations, and you can use whatever you want to do. You can do different kinds of squiggles. You know, you can practice flowers. See if I get some flowers in here. You can practice lines of all kinds. So, you know, if you wanted to do some crazy lines, or if you wanted to do some lines like this, or if you wanted to do just a kind of squiggle like that, you know, whatever you want to do, you can practice. You can also use the black marker to, let's say we do a flower. Okay, so we have that outline taking place. Okay, and then let it dry a bit, and once it's dry we can come in and we can color it. Now these are permanent markers, so they are going to stay. They're not going to come off your bag easily. Okay, so those are some options for you to decorate your bag, and I'm sure there are many other options that you can use. Once you have done a design and you have practiced a bit, you can then move on to your actual project. See, that is why we need the cardboard. So what we're going to do is that we're going to place the cardboard on the inside between the two layers, so that when we write on one side, it doesn't get onto the other. Okay, and we're just going to I'm now going to decide on a design, and you know, this bag here has a lot of squiggles and so on it, and I think for this other one I'm going to do some flowers. I particularly like how my flower came out, so I'm going to do a flower design. I'm going to take my black marker, and I'm making some fairly large petals. I like how that came out, and I'm going to do one on this side. Let me just make sure my cardboard is behind there. If you want to draw something and you're not comfortable with your drawing, then you can always use the carbon paper and trace something onto the fabric. Okay, and once you are satisfied with your drawing, you can begin coloring. I'm going to leave you to it. I'm sure that you can come up with something exciting, and I look forward to hearing what you have in store for us. Remember, you can join us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook at DIY Place, and of course you can check us out on Instagram at My DIY Place. We're looking forward to hearing what you have to say about your crafts.